Hi, so installing iGP11, we simply take the executable from the Nexus Mods site and run the setup. I usually choose to install the software somewhere different than the place where the actual game files are. So I've installed it on system, for example, and then you have to configure iGP. In order to configure iGP, you open iGP, and the first thing you have to do is select the path to the executable. So simply select the path, you click on it, and you go to the path on your computer where Dark Souls exe is. Okay, after you've done this, you go to the Textures tab, and for the first time you want to dump some textures, so you select dumping mode. In order to get your hands on the texture you will need to modify later. So after you've done this, you simply open Dark Souls and the files will get dumped. Whenever you load something in Dark Souls, it will dump the files in a specified folder. So the specified folders are usually created by iGP, so they are here. I will show them in Explorer momentarily. Okay, after you've done this, what you need to do with this tool is also go to, after you dump the file, you need to go to Texture Management, and this tab will open here. You have to select the source directory, and the source directory will be created. I'm going to show you where. So you navigate again to your Dark Souls folder, which in my case is here, and you can see now that in game there is a folder called iGP11. So enter that folder and select the source directory for text management to be text dump. Simply select it and set it up. Good. And the destination directory, well, I usually make a folder on the desktop. Then it's something, whatever you wish, and there is going to be this folder. So whenever you're going to load some textures, right now my text dump is empty, so there are no files here. The files will appear here. Okay, after you have some files here, you simply have to convert the textures, and all the converted files will go to the output directory. These are the actual files you will modify, and you will use this file to overwrite and see how it performs in game. Okay, that's all for iGP setup. I'm going to close iGP now. Okay, let's see what. Okay, so another tool which I've talked to you about is WTV. So I'm going to show you how this looks. I have some DDS files here, so you can see WTV already knows them. Simply double click on them and they open. You can see here these are the armor icons actually, so these are the files that appear in your menu, equipment menu. So, and with this program it's very easy to navigate through them. Just click the arrow or use your scroll. Very easy. Okay, so that's it for installing these softwares. We're going to go now to our first files. Let's dump our first files.